Hi friends, in today's video we're going to be seeing on how to get Canva Pro for free. So let's get started. Here we will click login or sign up. If we already have a Canva account, we can just click login. Otherwise, we'll click sign up and just click sign up over here. And here there are different ways to sign up with Canva. And I'll be using Google. So now that we have signed in, we will be clicking what we are using Canva for, like student, small business, non-profit or charity, large company, personal or teacher. So over here, I'll just click personal. Now it will show the free trial page for Canva Pro. We won't be needing this, so we'll click maybe later. And now we will go. We have gotten Canva as a free account, free version. So for the next part, we will go to mfatools.net. We'll go to this website, and here we will click free Canva Pro. This is actually like a team invite link, so it's like a team account in which we can also use Canva Pro free features. So we'll go down until we find these team 1 to team 9 there. So over here we'll click team 1 might be full, so I'll click team 3. So for this we have to follow this MFA tools on Instagram to unlock it. We just have to click it. We don't really follow. Just wait. So now we click unlock link. So now we have received Canva Pro for free teams. So this is how we can use premium features like pro features we can use. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget the like and subscribe buttons. This is AM Learning Station. My name is Alvin, and this is me signing off.